Hello guys, I will discuss about the division of nervous system in this video from the NCERT book itself, but in the form of flowcharts, because flowcharts are easy to remember and easy to recall.
First of all, the nervous system, human nervous system is divided into two parts, two main parts. These are the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. You can remember the short form CNS and PNS, okay? So the first main division of nervous system are the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Let us now come to the central nervous system briefly. The central nervous system is composed of the brain and the spinal cord, okay? So the main thing of the central nervous system are the brain and the spinal cord. You can see in this diagram at the right side, here the brain and the spinal cord, okay? The brain and the spinal cord. Brain and spinal cord are the part of the central nervous system. They are the center for processing of all information, okay? Now the peripheral nervous system. Before peripheral nervous system, let us discuss what the brain do. The brain receives and processes sensory information, initiates responses, stores memories, generates thoughts and emotions, okay? We will discuss later on about the brain parts by parts, the parts of the brain and the functions of each part of the brain. Now, what is the function of the spinal cord? The spinal cord conducts signals to and from the brain and controls reflex activities. So, these are the central nervous system. Now, coming to the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system is like the electric wires and the central nervous system is like the electric bulb. For your imagination, so that you can imagine clearly, just consider the central nervous system as an electric bulb and the peripheral nervous system as the electric wires. This is the electric bulb and these are the electric wires which are at the periphery. Without the electric wires, the electric bulb cannot light up, okay? So these wires, this peripheral nervous system are very much important for carrying the signals. The electric wire carries the signals and give it to the electric bulb so that electric bulb can light up. And likewise, the peripheral nervous system consisting of the nerves and neurons give the information from the periphery to the central nervous system, and thus the central nervous system comes into play. So let us now discuss the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system has two types of neurons. The motor neurons and the sensory neurons. Neurons are just like the electric wires, okay? The motor neurons are the neurons which will carry the signal from the central nervous system to muscles and the glands. These are like, suppose the electric bulb is lighted, okay? The bulb has been lightened up. So that information are carried by the motor neurons at the periphery, okay? So the motor neurons carries signals from the central nervous system to the muscles and the glands. And sensory neurons carry signals from periphery to the central nervous system. Suppose the sensory neurons are present in the sensory organs like the eyes, ears, okay? Now coming to motor neurons, these consist of somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system mainly controls voluntary movements like whatever you want to do by your will. And we have discussed earlier also about autonomic nervous system. These controls involuntary responses like the heartbeat and all. And this autonomic nervous system is further divided into sympathetic division and the parasympathetic division. We will discuss them in a different chapter, okay? Thank you. Hope this video is helpful, and if you find such explanation helpful, do subscribe my channel. I will make some more videos about this topic, about some other topic also for your quick revision. Thank you.